Hi everyone, I'm Donna Isguera. I'm 23 years old. Member po ako ng MMM Philippines. I'm from Las Piñas City and my manager is Sunny Boy Rama. So, discuss po sa inyo yung about sa MMM. Paano po ba mag-join sa MMM? How does it work? Paano po ba kumita sa MMM? And ano po ba yung MMM? Okay. So, gusto ko pong i-start dito. Founder of MMM. Si Sir Jim Mabrudi, siya po yung founder ng MMM. Hindi lang siya businessman, isa po siyang mathematician. And then, isa rin siyang programmer. And then, isa siya sa mga founder ng Microsoft. So, siya yung may-ari natin. He is a Russian. Okay? So, what is MMM? MMM is a global community of mutual aid and peer-to-peer donation exchange. We donate money when we can do it, and we get money when we need it. So, ito po, ibig sabihin, we can give money or we can donate money anytime na gusto natin. And ang kagandahan po nun is makukuha rin natin yung ating donation in return when we need it. So, pag kailangan na natin ng help, tayo naman yung bibigyan nila ng donation. So, MMM gives you a technical basic program which helps millions of participants worldwide to find those who need help and who are ready to provide help for free. Okay, MMM is neither a company nor a business. It does not have any account where the participant have to transfer money. So, hindi po siya company and lalong-lalong hindi rin po business ang MMM. So, ang MMM, isa po siyang community, is a global community kung saan po yung mga tao is nagpapalitan po tayo ng donation. Okay? What is MMM? Donations are directly transferred to participants who requested help. There is no intermediaries. It is purely transaction between the donor and the beneficiary. So, linawin ko lang po, yung donation na ipinapadala natin is hindi po ito napupunta direkta sa MMM. So, donations are directly transferred to participants who requested help. Ibig sabihin, yung donations natin napupunta po dun sa taong nangangailangan talaga. There is no intermediaries. Ibig sabihin, wala po tayong ibang pagdadaanan ng pera, kundi direct transaction only between the donor and the beneficiary. So, si MMM, isa lang po siyang system kung saan siya yung nag-a-assign kung sino po yung tutulungan natin. So, ito, all transferred funds to one another participants are your help given by your own goodwill. So, yun po, walang pilitan dito. Given by your own goodwill. Okay, MMM openly declares that all the money is redistributed between participants and is not invested in any business projects or securities. So, hindi niya ginagamit kung saan-saan or hindi ini-invest na MMM yung pera or yung donation na pinapadala natin. Relations between participants of MMM are built not on contracts and obligation but on trust and mutual respect. Okay, there is no boss, no owner. It's a self-managed community by participants. So, wala tayong boss na dapat magutos kung ano yung dapat nating gawin. So, it's a self-managed community. Tayo mismo yung mamangmahala dun sa account natin, dun sa community natin. And it's a social virus. Why is social virus? Because MMM, mag-i-spread siya ng mag-i-spread. Hindi po natin siya mapipigilan. That's why it's called social virus. Okay, MMM mission. The goal here is not the money. The goal is to destroy the world's unjust financial system. The financial apocalypse. So, ito yung goal ng MMM. Kasi ang nangyayari, tayo po is nagde-deposit tayo ng pera sa bank. Pero si bank, wala naman talaga siyang pera. So, yung pera ni bank is sa atin din na mga tao nanggagaling yung kanilang pera. And ang ginagawa po nila is nagpapaloan sila sa iba with interest and then dun po kumikita si bank. So, ganito rin yung concept. Lahat tayo dito is nagde-deposit din or nagdo-donate din tayo. And then, nag-get help din tayo nanggaling din sa donation ng ibang tao. Ang kagandahan lang dito is tayo mismo yung nagtutulungan. Okay? Kasi pag bank, sila lang din yung kumikita eh. And then, yan. Another mission is financial freedom. Okay. How does it work? You declare willingness to give help. maglalagin ka dun sa personal office and then i-click mo yung provide help. Ito po, i-click natin yung provide help. And then after which, your account will be credited with Mabro. So Mabro, ito yung currency natin sa MMM. Okay? Mabro amount will start growing from the moment of deposit or pledge at the rate of 30% per month. Okay? From the moment na nag-pledge ka, na nangako kang or nag-provide ka na mag-provide ka ng help, that moment po, mag-i-start na yung pag-grow ng inyong Mabro at the rate of 30% per month. Okay. How does this work? For example, you have announced willingness to assist or donate with 1,000 pesos. You will be rewarded in your PO with 1,000 Mabro peso and they will immediately start growing. After a month later, this 1,000 will become 1,300. Accordingly, you will be able to request assistance of 1,300 pesos. So, bakit siya naging 1,300? Kasi po, nag-donate tayo ng 1,000 and nag-earn siya ng 30% in 1 month. So, if ever na tayo naman yung nag-request ng assistance, ang marireceive natin is 1,300. So, 30% kung magkano po yung if-renovate natin na help. Okay, so ito yung sample. Sample computation, compounded interest. Let's say nagbigay po tayo or nag-donate tayo ng worth 1,000 pesos. Sa first month, mag-earn siya ng 1,300. And then, since na-compounded interest siya, yung 1,300 naman, yung mag-earn ng 30% after a month, so magiging siyang 1,700. Okay? Imagine po paano kung yung pera natin, naka-stay lang siya in just 12 months. 12 months hindi natin ginalaw yung ating donation. So, yung ating 1,000 is 23,300 na po. So, di ba, malaking bagay yung nagagawa ng MMM sa atin. Okay. And bukod yan, meron po tayong tinatawag na MMM Extra, 20 to 100% per month. So, ano po itong MMM Extra? Simple lang, participants are sharing videos, photo materials on their Facebook and other social media networks, making comments, liking videos, posting links, and etc. So, ito po yung sample ng MMM Extra. Okay? Let's say, ito yung sample task. Repost a video of MMM, paste 27,300 on your page. So, simple lang po. Ipopost mo lang yung video na yon sa inyong timeline, and then may mga instruction lang tayong susundin, madali lang naman. And then, ganun lang kasimple, kung magkano po yung donation ninyo, magta-time siya ng 0.20%. So, kung magawa mo po lahat ng task in 1 month, pwedeng yung donation ninyo, let's say 1,000, pwede siyang umabot up to 100% in return. So, anong ibig sabihin? Let's say nag-donate tayo ng 1,000 and lahat ng task online and offline na gawa natin, after a month, yung 1,000 natin, pwede po siyang maging 2,000 pesos. Depende po sa activity natin. Okay? Pero, ito po yung kagandahan. Those who won't carry out even a single task will get 20% Mabro per month. So, ating kagandahan, let's say hindi natin ginawa yung task, di ba? Ang kagandahan po, yung 1,000 pesos, mag-earn pa rin siya ng 20%. So, wala tayong ginawa, nag-earn pa rin siya ng 20%. Okay. Is MMM legal? MMM is legal since no legislation in any country can forbid voluntary donations of money between people. Okay, wala naman pong batas na nagbabawal na magbigayan tayo ng donations, right? MMM does not have any bank accounts, does not conduct any commercial activities, and does not provide investment or consulting services. So, wala pong bank account sa MMM. Bakit? Hindi naman kasi tayo sa kanya nagpapadala. Yung donation natin is binibigay natin sa kapwa natin na nangangailangan ng tulong. MMM is a voluntary association of private persons. Voluntary. So, wala pong pilitan sa MMM. Kapag gusto mo, go. So, wala po tayong pilitan dito tulad ng iba. Okay? Is MMM a scam? Of course not. MMM is a project, scam is a project where admins and managers cheat the ordinary participants and they simply do not tell the truth and hide their intentions to steal the money. While MMM openly declares that all the risks and does not have any guarantees that your donations will be sent back to you. Okay? This is a honest, transparent system where participants implement money transfer directly between each other. Okay. Referral bonus. So, bakit po namin sinishare yung MMM? Okay? Meron po tayong tinatawag na referral bonus. You will get 10% from all deposits of the participants you invited. So, sample, ako po is napajoin ko yung aking kaibigan. Dahil shinare ko sa kanya yung MMM, meron po akong ma-receive na 10%. So, magkano po yun? Kumita po ako ng 250 pesos. So, ito po is, kung gusto nyo ng another bonus, pwede po natin gawin itong referral bonus. And then, meron po tayong manager's bonus. Managers of the MMM community can create own multi-level structures and get a bonus from each of the donation of every participants in their structures make. This is a multi-level bonus. Thus, a manager can have his own leader whose rank is higher. So, pwedeng yung manager, meron siyang leader na mas mataas yung pwesto sa kanya or position. Manager bonus depends on the level of his community. So, dito po, meron po tayong tinatawag na manager and managerial school wherein pag ikaw naging manager, magkakaroon ka po ng certain bonus sa level ng inyong account. Okay? And then, yan. Ito yung pinaka-concept. Together, we can change the world. So, imagine, paano kung ang bawat isa po is nagtutulungan? Diba? We can change the world. Really, it can really change the world. So, yun lang po yung regarding sa MMM. And then, ako bilang isang member, masasabi ko na malaking bagay yung MMM sa akin. Noong una, hindi ako naniniwala. Kasi easy money. But nung ako na yung nakasubok ng MMM, na-realize ko, bakit nga ba ngayon lang? Bakit ngayon lang ako nag-join? Bakit bakit pinatagal ko pa? And bakit ngayon lang dumating sa akin si MMM? Sobrang nabibless ako na dumating sa MMM dahil yung sweldo ko as employee, hindi ko siya nagagalaw dahil ang bumubuhay sa akin ngayon is MMM. So, sa mga nagdududa pa, eto na po yung result. And kung may other questions po kayo, meron pong contact number sa baba. Ilalagay ko po. And yun lang. Maraming salamat po. Bye.